Kiwi fruit, also known simply as kiwi, is a small but mighty power-packed fruit belonging to the Actinidiaceae family. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kiwi offers numerous health benefits that make it an excellent addition to anyone's diet. Rich in vitamin C. Kiwi fruit is famously recognized for its high vitamin C content, with even higher levels than citrus fruits like oranges. Vitamin C is essential for immune system support, as it helps in the absorption of iron, promotes collagen synthesis, and serves as an antioxidant that battles free radicals. Promotes heart health. The fiber and potassium content in kiwi aids in maintaining cardiovascular health. Fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, while potassium is known for its role in reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption of kiwi can contribute to heart health by controlling blood pressure and lowering risk factors associated with heart disease. Aids digestion. Kiwi contains actinidiaceae, a natural enzyme known for enhancing protein digestion. The fruit is also rich in dietary fiber, which aids in smoother bowel movements and preventing constipation. Enhances skin quality. The antioxidants and vitamin E present in kiwi contribute to maintaining healthy skin. These nutrients are known for protecting the skin from damage caused by environmental factors and boosting skin cell renewal. Supports eye health. Kiwi is a great source of zeaxanthin and lutein, natural compounds that are important for eye health. These nutrients aid in protecting the eyes from damage caused by UV light and help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Reduces oxidative stress. The high levels of antioxidants in kiwi help in combating the oxidative stress that can cause cellular damage and lead to chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its content of vitamin C and other polyphenol, kiwi possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for individuals with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. In conclusion, kiwi fruit is packed with essential nutrients and offers various health benefits ranging from better digestion to improved skin and heart health. Incorporating kiwi into your diet is a delicious and easy way to bolster your health and well-being.